pagdating ko sa bahay, aalis kami ngayon. Pupunta kami ng Chiang Mai around 7 o'clock in the evening. So, kita-kita tayo. Dadalhin ko kayo sa Chiang Mai. See you later! Ayan, paalis na yung van namin. Time check is... Is it 8:30? What's the time?
8:37.
Nothing, just say hi. Yeah. You know, I'm vlogging. I'm gonna post it in my YouTube. Hi, little boy. Is it 8:30? What's the time? Time check.
8:37.
8:37. Okay. Alis na kami. Good morning, Chiang Mai. This is our first meal in here. Look at mine. This is in the picture. Look. Daddy's fried chicken. Duck. No, it's not duck. Why they put something in? Ah, because it's spicy, right? Okay.
Superman! Superman!
I touched Touch Star Resort. We're here at Touch Star Resort. This is where we're gonna stay for 3 days. to Touch Star Resort. There. I don't know where.
Bila titi pa doon eh pagkaon.
Hello guys, this is our room for 3 days. We have extra bed. Yan ang laki ng aming bed. Dalawa lang kami dito ni Daddy. Ayan. Nice. And then here we have a chair made of wood, and also our trash bin made of wood. Ayan, may mini fridge kami. May TV. Ayan. Meron kaming baso, cups. Ayan. Platito, tubig, may coffee, may heater kami. Ito bigay ito ng parents. And then, ayan, may chair kami. Meron din kaming ayan, yung closet namin. Tada! Dad, can you turn on the lights here? Where? Here? There you go. Ayan. Tapos dyan, ayan, inayos ko na yung aming mga damit. Ayan, kulubot masyado. Ayusin nga natin. Bakit pa ito naayos yan? Ganyan. Ayan. May ano pa siya, oh. Ang tawag niyan. Ano naman to? Wala naman kami nilagay dito. Nothing. Ayan. And here comes the toilet. The CR. Ayan. Uy, wow, merong blower. Nice one. Makakapag ano ako. Dry ng hair. Yeah, kasi pangit yung hair ko. Ayan. Tapos dito yung may slippers pa lang. Ayan, dyan yung shower. Oh, may shampoo. Ayan. Okay. That's all for today for the room tour. Okay, Daddy, let's go na. Ayan, kami po ay pupunta dito para sa aming fellowship evening worship. Where they going? Wala, dako day gid ay ang kaninga place, no? Naku guys, kumakaan hilang mo diri anindot kayas kang dako sa lugar. Ay, nag-present na sila, oh. Asa na nag-atubang sila di? Wait, I'll stand.
วันนี้นะเราก็ได้บรรยากาศวันนี้นะครับพี่น้องครับก็ลำดับต่อไปนะครับก็เป็นช่วงเวลาที่สำคัญนะครับผมเชื่อว่าพี่น้องมาเพื่อการนี้จริงๆนะที่จะนมัสการพระเจ้าร่วมกันเอเมนเอเมนผมเชื่อว่าการทรงสถิตของพระเจ้าได้อยู่ท่ามกลางพวกเราที่นี่แล้วก็ผ่านทางการนมัสการพระเจ้า ผมเชื่อว่าเราคาดหวังนะฮะที่เราจะให้สิ่งที่ดีที่สุดกับพระเจ้าเอเมนเอเมนนะครับฉะนั้นอยากจะให้เราปรบมือ
Lunchtime. I think we're gonna sit here.
You can sit with the
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, you sit. Here, hayaan mo na. Just sit and get some food. Hello guys, we're heading to waterfalls and look at who's with me. So we're heading to waterfalls. With me is, can you introduce yourself? Tell my viewers your name. What's your name?
My name is Sarah.
Okay, her name is Sarah Wynn. And this one is, what's your name?
Oh,
No, this one.
Nima.
Nima. With teacher O. And then we have here Sweet. Say hi, Sweet. Say hi to my vlog. And Mommy. Mommy, look at here, Mommy. Yeah. Anna. And we have Snow White. Snow White. Oh, the dad is here. And Dee, look. Wave your hand. You know what, guys? Today, I am the nanny of these two kids. Yeah, I am the nanny. Nanny for today. Now, see you later. Look at the surroundings. See you later, alligator. Look. Oh, see, I told you, we're gonna go up to the mountain for us to see the waterfall. Oh, see? See, yes, we're going up, up, up. We're going up, up, up. Wow. Yes. The other van is there. We're here now. Look. Come here. So many people here. Look. Andito na kami sa waterfalls. Ang daming mga turista. Ayan. Okay lang dito, may mga pagkain. You can buy. But I don't want to buy. You brought me from the darkness into glorious light. We stay there. Oops, wait. Thank you, Lord, for this favor. We were able to see.
Sweet. My mother.
Okay, so I can take video. Yeah. Look at that. The sound of the water. We're in the forest. See?
Yeah.
Wow, that's a dam. Dam. You can leave this one in the...
Oh yeah.
Why did you bring your
Yeah,
bag?
I need it.
Heavy.
Yeah.
So beautiful. Yes, look at that. And the trees are tall. So tall. Naku, akyat pa kami doon sa taas. Nakakapagod. Akala ko this is the last station. Meron pa pala sa taas. Okay, let's keep going. That's the reason why we're here. We need to see God's creation. Go, Daddy, be careful. It's slippery. Uy! Ayan, sa kaka-vlog. Ako pang malapit na-slide ako. Wow, look at this beautiful forest.
Slippery, but I like to eat.
Oh, you're hungry again? Marami dito, yung iba naligo. Wow! Ito, yeah! Okay, okay. By 5? Alright. Okay. Wow, look at that! So high, Daddy! Look! Oh, it's scary. We go up, Daddy. Ayun, daming tao doon. Maraming tao doon. Dad, be careful. Grabe yung laki ng mga bato. Ayan. Naku, ito pala ang pinakadulo. Ayan, ang ganda. Alam nyo guys, kung makita nyo lang in person, sobrang taas niya. Yeah. Look. Daming mga tao dito. Yung iba kumakain. Yung iba naman, nagtatalim-pasaw.
โอเค เสียงเมื่อกี้ปรบมือไม่ดังพอนะครับ ขอเสียงปรบมือ
อันนี้เนี่ยแค่การแสดงชุดแรกนะครับ ก็มีความสุขมีความชื่นชมยินดีไปด้วยกันแล้วนะครับ ต่อไปนะครับเดี๋ยวก่อนที่เราจะนมัสการพระเจ้าด้วยกันเนี่ยยังมี
เก่งจริงๆเราใช้บ้านเราอยู่ที่บ้านยาบ้านกันที่จีนเลยแล้วท่านก็มาประเมินผมยกอะไรยกท่านประเมินผมถูกต้องเราต้องจะไม่จริงแต่ท่านประเมินพระเจ้าแค่การยกสามโยกตัวท่านประเมินบอกว่ายกผู้เลยโครงการนี้ใช้ไม่ได้เลยครับอ๋อโครงการชี้แจงมาเห็นมาพี่หลงเรื่องครับคนที่ร่วมโครงการกับผมมีคุณเอ็มอยู่ที่นี่มีอาจารย์เบียร์อยู่ที่นี่ตอนนั้นเรามีสตาฟ3-4 คนมีอาจารย์ชันผมก็เลยเอาลูกเที่ยวเลยได้งานจนถึงด้านไหนผมเลยครับโดนสายฟ้าฟาดเปรี้ยงเข้ามาเลยย่อพอโลหลับไปแล้วพอโลเราคาดหวังอย่างมากว่าเราจะได้รับงบประมาณ
Bye, Chiang Mai. That's our room there, the first one. Bye. Today is our last day, so we check out already. So, pauwi na po kami. Ayan yung asawa ko. That's our adopted daughter, D. Oh, ang ganda ng lugar dito, tahimik. Ang ganda pa ng, ang laki ng area nila dito, guys. Alam nyo kung gusto nyong mag-ano dito, mag-unwind out of the hustle and bustles of the city, you can come and visit here. It's 1,000 per night. Not 1,000 per night, 1,000 for I don't know what, but we just pay 1,000 for 3 days. Okay, we're heading to our van. Daddy. Say hi. That's our adopted daughter here in Thailand. She's not a Thai, but she's a Burmese. Yeah. So tiring. Bye. Touch Star Resort. That's the resort. Bye. See you next time.